Hi everybody, Josh May from Riccar. We're going to show you all the nice things you get when you purchase a Riccar SupraQuik portable canister vacuum cleaner. So obviously the vacuum is this unit right here, really nice product, as well as 2 wands that will come with it for your above the floor cleaning or your floor cleaning. Also you've got a hose, we've got a reversible rug floor tool here. So this tool, if you push this lever, you actually get the brushes for your hard floors and down in your grout lines, and then your rugs as well. This is the upholstery tool. You get a slide-on dusting brush with that, plus a dusting brush. Crevice tool. You also get a shakeout bag. A lot of people will purchase this product and sometimes you take it out on the road in your RV or your camper or a road trip and you fill your bag up. This is a shakeout reusable bag, as well as the paper bag that comes with it. And you get a spare one of those. Shoulder straps, which latch on right here if you want to use it and carry it around your shoulder. This is a mesh bag that comes with it, designed to hold all the attachments. As you can see, you even get some small micro attachments that come with it. So there's a lot of things that come with this. It can be used as a vacuum cleaner or as a blower, and we're going to show you how that works. But these are the cool things that you get when you buy it, as well as your owner's manual. Let's see it in action. One of the great things about the SupraQuik is the multiple ways you can use it. In this case, we're going to hook up the blower to the back end where the exhaust is, and we're going to just turn it on and blow some things away. Whether you're blowing up an air mattress or cleaning out a tight space and it's easier to blow it out than try to use the suction, then you can use it this direction, or you can use it with the suction end hooked up, and not just by going into this side. Now I'm going to go ahead and clip on the shoulder strap here. I've got the wands here, the 2 wands that came with it, set up with the rug floor tool, with the options to use it multiple different ways. We're going to go ahead and hook it up onto here. I'm going to take the shoulder strap, put it on, turn it on, and go ahead and clean our hard surfaces. So once we're done cleaning, it's really convenient to wrap the cord up around the back end of the machine here and store it away. So as you can see, the Riccar SupraQuik is a very versatile multitask vacuum cleaner.